All right, guys, we are in Murfreesboro tonight at the Fountains of Gateway. As you can see, there's a huge festival going on tonight. It's called the Spring Festival. But what we got going on is we got 3 food trucks. And so that being dinner with Dad, what we want to do is try out each food truck. This food truck here is called the DOUGHBOX wood-fired pizza place. It's amazing because there's actually a wood-fired grill inside this box. Well, it's not a box, so it would actually be a truck, but it's like a trailer truck. So as you can see, it's not just perfectly priced. $12 for the pizzas and the drink. That's the site you want to go to. So we'll give it a shot. So what we did then is we asked them, we ordered a pizza. We wanted them to give us what they feel is the best pizza that they produce. All right, so this is the pomodoro. You can see red onions, tomatoes. Looks like, not cilantro, what is that? I don't know. Basil, thank you. Fresh basil, cheese, and the balsamic. So, wow. Okay, that is really, really good. But what makes it is the balsamic on top of it, the way it just covers the top of that. Okay, so, anytime you come in to see the DOUGHBOX, you gotta stop and get this pizza. Don't get the pepperoni, don't get the sausage. You have to get something like this. Let's go to the next truck.